Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoin or Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogecoin. Whales alert. 32 billion Doge transacted to rack up $4.4 billion in volumes. Dogecoin whales are an interesting entity as they make an appearance very rarely during a bear market, and then go back into indolence, to only reappear a month later. Dogecoin whales are back. That is the case with March, as 48 hours ago was the first time since February's spike that Doge whales were active again, and the total Doge volume moved around on-chain shot up to $4.4 billion. But unlike the previous spike, this rise lasted for a day longer, during which cumulatively about 32 billion Doge was observed to have been transacted. This kind of behavior is surprising since these whales used to be very active during the initial rally of November, and since they also occupy almost 50% of the entire Doge supply out of the downtrend. The coin managed to revisit the $0.118 price floor. However, the bulls have most likely jumped ship again, and Dogecoin is back to trading close to the $0.118 price support line. With a continued downtrend, Doge could again target its 10-month low price level of $0.112. The technical outlook of the coin continues to flash an extremely bearish signal as the asset witnessed selling strength again. There is a robust resistance level at the $0.134 price level as the token had tried to break past that level at the beginning of March. Doge was unable to trade anywhere close to it ever since March began. The asset was seen trading below the 20 small mark, which signified that sellers regained the price momentum in the market. After witnessing a death cross, as the 50 small line was over the 20 small line last week, the coin continued its downtrend. The volume of Dogecoin also flashed a decline along with the past two trading sessions, closing in red as seen on the chart. Fear index continues to look grim for most of March so far. The market barely witnessed any buying strength. The coin has tried to bring in buyers in the past 24 hours, however it failed to hold its momentum. The relative strength index reflects the same reading as the indicator slowly crept below the half line at press time, indicating a selling strength again. The directional movement index was also negative, which reaffirmed that buying momentum was on a decline as the die was above the die line. The average directional index also showed declining strength, as it meant that the market could head into a price consolidation phase over the upcoming trading sessions. Fear index of Dogecoin scored a 22, which corresponds to extreme fear. On recovery from this level could be likely in the coming days. Furthermore, the CMF saw a bullish divergence with the price, as it witnessed an uptrend in its troughs. This reading entailed the increasing money flows into the crypto, and kept the revival hopes alive in the near term. Nevertheless, the distance between the DMI lines depicted a strong bearish figure. But its ADX still could not reveal a strong directional trend for the alt. Conclusion: Doge saw a bullish divergence with the CMF, and a reversal pattern on its daily chart. Further, with the overstretched situation on its 2050 CMIS, a bullish revival in the coming days seemed likely. However, the meme coin shares a 62% 30-day correlation with the King coin. Thus, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement would be vital to complement these technical factors. And second news today about Animoca, Ripple-backed crypto custodian at $300 million value. The Series B round, which raised $88 million, also garnered participation from new investors including Ripple, Terra, Morgan Creek and Primavera Venture Partners, the startup said in a statement Wednesday. The firm had raised $6 million in March 2021, said co-founder and chief executive officer Alessio Quiglini. Nobody's doubting anymore that blockchain will become the new infrastructure of the financial markets, Quiglini said in an interview. If a big chunk of financial services has to run on the blockchain, then you are sure you will need institutional players providing infrastructure for institutional investors. HexTrust is among a crop of crypto startups trying to bring the Wall Street formula to digital assets, in everything from lending to custody and wealth management. Founded in 2018, it now has $5 billion in assets under custody from over 200 institutional clients, it said. Existing investors including QPN Capital, Kinetic Capital and Hashkey Capital also participated in the round, according to the statement, purchased at these machines. Previously, customers could only purchase Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, the last of which had support added last year in October. Dogecoin now joins this list, bringing the meme coin closer to millions of investors around the country. These universal kiosks are available in over 31 states in the country, serve a good portion of the US crypto population. Such a move on the part of a large player in the Bitcoin ATM space, or BTMs, is nothing short of incredible news for the meme coin, making it onto the list ahead of other big players such as Cardano, Tether, and even Shiba Inu, its fiercest competitor. Price response. Prior to the announcement, the price of Dogecoin had been struggling. Although it had moved in tandem with the market during the recent recovery, it did not really record the better part of the surge until after the news from Bitcoin of America had dropped. Now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents.